So what really brought me to Ohio State ATI was just like the community that it's in. It's kind of a smaller feel, but you're still in that big Ohio State grasp. I've always been interested in business growing up. My family farms, so I felt like, take the agricultural with my business interests and kind of pair them together. I would highly recommend ATI for a potential student. I think the community is great. You get a lot of hands-on learning. Like my classes are a lot smaller than what they would be at another campus, so that would be one. Going out to the farms with a couple different labs, can you see that real world one-on-one type of thing here at ATI. If you're considering ATI, I would say you definitely should. I've met tons of new friends, new faces, new opportunities given to me here. I think that'd be a great thing for you to do as well. And I also feel like the one-on-one learning, I don't think you'll get it anywhere else.